Alright guys, we're going to fly the X-Fly Model Eagle. We're going to get on the right plane. There it is. It's a little windy, so the wind might be coming through the mic a little hot. Oh. Oop. I don't know why I can't remember to put this Roku in there. Alright. Make sure the safe's working. She is. Oh. Whew. There we go. The wind is coming out of the east. Oh. Put this down for a second. Motor's on. Alright, here we go. See if we can get a good launch. Oh, bad launch. Oh, what's up with me and launching lately? I'm horrible at launching. Try again. There it goes. Much better. Nice loop and a roll. 2 rolls. Very nice. I get 8 minutes of flight time out of this thing. It's got a 4S in it.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
If you watch my video on Thanksgiving, where I posted the video on Thanksgiving of me out here with this thing, I show how I set it up. I set mine up. Mine came right out of the box. I really don't trust any of these ready to fly things anymore, or bind and fly. I go over everything that I buy nowadays. It had the thrust reverse right out of the box was set up backwards. So if you pulled it right, if you went to turn right, it would go left. If you went left, it would go right. It was set up completely backwards. So that scared me alone, doing that. So I switched it to an AR-630. I decided not to even try to fly it.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
To try to fly it with that gyro in there. I was so afraid I'd crash it. And who wants to crash an RC plane the first day you buy it? Nobody. I don't know if you guys can hear that beeping in the back, but my Ventura is done charging. So I don't have anybody over there to unplug it for me. I knew that would happen. This thing flies smooth. I really enjoy flying this.
3D mode.
I'm actually doing the loops backwards. I should be doing them the other way because the wind's coming from the east. but it doesn't seem to be having much
3 minutes. Safety switch on.
effect on it. It sounds really cool. I love that. The twin millimeter 40s on there and the end of the wings. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. I ordered one before from Amazon, but they sent me I guess I must have got like the last one, and instead they sent me an X-Fly jet.